Welcome back with a reviewed. Finally, I'm back.
Where were you? Your channel is so I refuse to watch. You can't.
We're on the big
We've
famous
waited.
channels. They refuse to watch us
Where
every
were
day.
you? Yeah, exactly. Hey, wait a second. What did you just say? I'm confused. Huh?
Transa doesn't matter how much I share. Just updated the description and I finally got it right. And this is really a great way to look at this. Perfect way, actually. It's a toddler. I've discovered something years ago, and a toddler is now 3 years old. He's a tiny guy. Give him some time to grow. And yeah, I also am busy with this other skate channel and the Superman.rl on Instagram and stuff like this. And this is precisely how we are back, how it's connecting back, where I found this guy. Most would be too scared to try it again after these first attempts. Because sometimes you pick a spot, you build a spot because the rail is too high to ollie normally into it, so he builds a spot, which is effort that needs to be respected in the first place, that somebody does this, brings up all the stuff, builds it, and then has not much run up, a weird spot, and is also by himself. That's also something that's unbelievable. Out of two perspectives, unbelievable. I can't believe that there's somebody who's that determined, who's alone. He's not always alone, but also often alone, and I don't get it. What the hell is going on? Yeah, I know what's going on, and that is exactly why I do everything I do. Because there's something wrong going on. This is not right. The guy like this here is my instant, and I mean instant, biggest motivation. After Sean Oakes.
That's the video I shared, Sean. I think it's perfect, it's wonderful.
We are almost the same age, and he's out there, builds the spot, and then has these first attempts that would just stop. Like, but not this guy. He wants it. He needs this. Ladies and gentlemen, meet real skateboarders. This is different than the shit you see online, which is just literally a machine that produces the perfect. They're not the best, they're the luckiest. Born healthy, right place, right time, right genetics, right environment, stayed healthy, stayed lucky every day of life. Now they are the best. Abusive parents, potential destroyed. My mother took my skateboard away and I wasn't allowed to be a skater. I had to be a runaway kid. Abusive teacher, potential destroyed. I was actually abused by teachers and I hated school, I hated system. Born in Germany, potential destroyed. Even if the best of the best from Germany, there are maybe a handful maximum that seem to be able to compete, but they can't at all. Okay, if you really look at the skate level, they're a joke. Germany cannot compete. There's no one who's anywhere near the world level of skateboarding, not even close. With the guys that flip into 16s their handrails. The Germans, they don't skate handrails. Why? Because it's not the right environment. In Germany, there's not one in entire 80 million country that can compete at all with the world level of skateboarding. But that's not that we are less. Germany, the potential, the genetics is not less. It's all there. It's just oppressed. It can't compete. You need the right environment. You need the right everything. At all times, throughout entire life. And also not just you, but everyone around you in that group. So that's the crazy part about the story, that they are not only the luckiest, it needs a group of the luckiest of the luckiest of the luckiest that all together are the luckiest all the time. You need to understand what it means. We have billions of humans, and in the end you see the best. No, they're not the best. They are truly the ultimate, absolutely. I need to invent a new word for the level of luck that they have. And I hope that this reality helps you to see the greatness of a guy like Flo, guy like me, guy like Sean Oakes, and all these other guys. This is real greatness, people. Fighting for these dangerous tricks, and it's dangerous. And see why these spots in Germany look so weird and different, and then there's even the kicker that because we don't have these good spots. It's different. It's a total different world than what they're presenting you. And also our lives are completely different. The country is different. Everything is different when you grow up in Germany as one of the real skaters We are the real skater generation. Yeah. But being still here at this age, in this modern weird time where you only see the perfect guys, and when all the people out there, they have no idea of what a real skater is like, and that this is the valuable content. It hit me in the first second and it was over, people. I was instant fan. More fan than of any of the famous skaters. And I mean it. That's why I read this guy. Unbelievable motivation. These are the guys, people. This is the real skaters.